Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another money video. If this is your first time here, welcome. If this is not your first time, welcome back, and thank you for always coming back. So like I always say, not like I always say, like I always think to myself, experience is the best teacher. I have been in business for about 5 years now, and I have learned quite a number of lessons. I'm going to be sharing with you guys today just a little bit about how to prepare and eventually sell out on your Black Friday sales or Cyber Monday sales, as the case may be. At the end of this video, I'm going to be giving 2 secret tips that you can use for your business generally, or even this Black Friday or Cyber Monday sales. So stay tuned and keep watching. The first thing we're going to be speaking about today is Black Friday. What is Black Friday? Black Friday is when businesses offer highly promoted sales with discounted offers on products and services, like real crazy deals, guys. So the official date for Black Friday this year is 26th of November. But most businesses run theirs from like the first Friday to the last Friday of the month, like all the Fridays in November. This is where Cyber Monday comes in. So it's basically, Cyber Monday is basically the same thing, but just this happens on Monday. These are discounted offers, discounted services that happens on Mondays. Like I said, I'm going to be teaching you guys, just telling you guys a few tips on how to sell out. As a business owner, the first thing that you should consider when you're trying to sell out, when you're trying to project, when you're trying to tell people about your Black Friday sales, you're trying to sell out your products and services, is to prepare. Like anything in life, you need to prepare, you need to be prepared. So you are going to prepare for your Black Friday sales. Like every other thing in your business, in your life, you need to stay prepared. So as you're watching this now, I want you to start preparing for your Black Friday sales. Immediately after you watch this video, take notes on how this can help you. Take notes and start preparing for your Black Friday sales like now, because as it is, we're already late. Most big brands, most big businesses, they've started planning for their Black Friday sales as early as the first quarter of the year, second quarter of the year. Before now, this is the last quarter of the year, so people have started planning theirs. I mean the big brands. So you can also, for you to be able to grow into a big brand, because most of my business videos is speaking to the small business owners, because I am a small business owner. I have 3 small businesses, like I already said in my videos. If you watch my videos, you know exactly what I'm speaking about. So my perspective is from the small business owner perspective. So you need to start preparing like now. So if you're watching this, I want to assume that you already have content prepared already. You already have your pictures, flyers, or you'd have already started some sort of preparation already. So you can make preparations like checking on your inventory, check things that people have bought, like people have bought the most and people have bought the least, like things that people are always buying. These are the things that you need to stock up before your Black Friday sales, because as it is, you're watching this video because you like to sell out on your product. So it is best to know what people are buying so that you can be able to stock that up, so that when people tell people that, okay, I bought this from this person and it's time for Black Friday and other people want to patronize you, you would have that product in stock. You will not just start running around and trying to get product. Because if you start running around to try to get products, this is when clients or customers will leave you, because they'll feel like you're not serious and all of that. So it is best for you to have your products in check. The next thing for you to do is to take product shots, take your photo shoots, take your photography, everything that you need to do. If you are selling products, you take your pictures of your products. If you are selling services, you prepare your flyers, you prepare everything that you need to be able to advertise or promote this your Black Friday sale, your Black Friday offers that you will be telling people about. So it is best you prepare those items, your pictures, your photo shoots, and all of that. You should have done this like before, like since. So whether or not you are a product or service based business, you need to create your flyers and start advertising, pushing. Just like I said before, you need to start advertising and pushing out your offers so that people can know what you have to offer, honestly, because as it is, there are so many Black Friday offers rolling out right now. Small business owners, big brands are pushing out their orders, so you need to start now. That I said before, you need to start now. So your flyers are going to serve as a visual aid for people to know what you have in stock, for people to know the offers that you have ready available for them, so they can be able to purchase you and so that you can be able to sell out. You get me? So with these flyers, you'll be able to create awareness across all platforms, like your social media platforms, WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, and also email marketing. Guys, you want to start your email list right now, because you see what happened with Twitter. Let's even just start with Twitter. You see what happened with Twitter the other time when it got like blocked here in Nigeria. We're speaking about here in Nigeria. I know as of now it is still suspended in Nigeria, and for Instagram you saw that it crashed the other time. So you guys, you need to start email marketing, SMS marketing. When you collect your clients' phone numbers, keep them somewhere. Don't just send their items and just forget about it. Check up on them. Just create a relationship basically, so you can have something outside Instagram or WhatsApp, so that you'll be able to send them offers when you cannot reach them on those platforms. You saw that Instagram crashed the other time. And another thing that can help you sell out this Black Friday season is that when you are running this Black Friday, when you are running these offers, when you are pushing out these offers, you should consider running this promotion for more than a day. Just like I said, most brands run their promotion. Let's just say Jumia in Nigeria. Since Black Friday started here in Nigeria, I have shopped from Jumia say about 4 times since Black Friday started, because they are constantly doing they don't just do it on Fridays. They have offers that are going like they have offers every day. They have offers up every day, so you should consider running your offers for more than a day, more than just a Friday or 4 Fridays. You can also get into the Cyber Monday sales or the Small Business Saturday. So you should also look into this and try them out, so that when people want to order, they would not just be stuck on Fridays or just waiting for Fridays. So you also get orders on Mondays, on Saturdays, and you get so much orders that you'll be able to sell out. So another thing I want to speak about is gift giving. So you should, while running these offers, if you don't want to just say okay 15% off, 20% off, while that is great and all of that, you should also consider the mystery gift giving, in the sense that when people are trying to purchase an item for you, you'd have your flyers up saying when you buy this item, when you buy anything from us, you get a special gift. I'm just giving you ideas, examples on how to spice up your Black Friday sales and all of that. So when people see that okay, yes, they can get special gifts, especially when they don't know what the gift is going to be, it is going to ginger them, it's going to spice up, it's going to trigger their curiosity, and that will make them want to buy. And especially when the gift is good, when they get their orders, they will be able to refer other customers to you, and other people would also buy. So the next one is first in promotion. This puts the power in the customer's hand, and they actually love it, because let's say this is for a service-based business. When the cost is usually $200, so you start like this. You say that okay, the base fare for today is, my Black Friday is starting today, the base fare for today is $40. For every person that orders, it would eventually top up with $5. So let's say it is $40 as base fare. My Black Friday sales opening at 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. that day. So when the first person orders, it becomes $45. When the second person orders, it becomes $50. So this actually keeps people rushing into your sales, in the sense that nobody wants to eventually get it when it has now reached $200, when their friend got it for $40 or $45 or $50. So this is what I'm just trying to explain. This puts the power in the customer's hands. So you can use tools like Paystack to actually get this done for you. And also, with putting the power in the customer's hand, you can also tell them to pay whatever they want. You can use space tag for this also, where there is a minimum amount where you don't want them to go below. So let's say price for the course is $200 and you want to give it to them as say $150 or $100, so you just tell them to pay whatever they want and they shouldn't go below $100. Do you understand what I'm saying? So all this is set up on whatever website or however you want to do it to make it easy for you, and they just start ordering. Do you understand what I'm saying? The secret sauce I want to give you guys today, I'm just going to say that on my business videos these days, I am going to be like dropping tips sometimes. So I'm giving 2 secret sources today. So on your bio on Instagram or TikTok or Twitter, whatsoever social media that you use to advertise your business, you just go on your bio and write Black Friday sales, 10% off, or pay whatever you like. Boldly write what your Black Friday sales is, so because for every profile visit you get, when people go through your bio, they go through your page, they'll be able to see it because it is your bio. That's the first thing that they're going to see, and they'll be like, oh, this person is on sale. So for everybody that comes to your business page, they'll be able to see what is going on, and this is eventually going to drive sales. Trust me, it's going to drive sales, because people that are following, you know, the way the whole algorithm works now and all of that, people that are following you, they don't actually see some of your posts, but once they come to your profile or your bio, they'll see what is going on there because you've put it there for them to see. Because the goal is for us to sell out this Black Friday. Black Friday has recorded billions of naira in sales. It's actually a very big industry, so people are cashing out, so you need to cash out. Next thing I want to tell you guys is to use your website to run adverts on your sponsored ads that you usually run. Instead of sending them directly to your DM or sending them directly to WhatsApp or any of that, you just send them directly to your website. If you have your website, you use that link to run your sponsored ads, and this is going to make sales easier for you, in the sense that you don't have to be chatting with them or having your representative chat with anybody to answer. Your website, I'm assuming that your website has all the information that your product or your services entails, so they'll just go there, choose what they want, and they'll order and to get delivered to them. This is going to make things easy for you, because I know that we are going to have a lot of customers this Black Friday sales, so this is going to make things easy for you, very easy for you. Thank you guys very much for staying to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a thing or two. I hope you enjoyed the secret sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. So bye, see you on my next one.